Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Engineer Bilal Rafiq and today I am going to show you how to install latest XAMPP version on your PC. Okay, so keep watching the full video. First of all, open the browser and then search for XAMPP. Click enter. Now click here on this first link and then click here on this button, XAMPP for Windows. This is the latest version of XAMPP. Okay, our downloading has been started. I'm going to pause it because I have already downloaded this file, so that video should not get longer and we can save our time. Okay, so when your downloading has been completed, then go to the download folder and then run the setup. Okay, now click yes. Now click OK and then click next. Now from here you can select the desired folder where you want to install this XAMPP. Okay, and by default it will select the C drive. Okay, I'm going to leave it as it is. Okay, now click the next. Now click next and click next. Now our installation has been started. It will take some time. Okay, so let's wait. Okay, now the setup has finished installing XAMPP on our PC. Click finish. Now here it is. Now you can start using the XAMPP control panel. So that's it guys. If you like this video, just click the subscribe button to get more videos from me, and also hit the bell icon so that you get notified when I publish a new video. I will see you in the next video. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.